Class 5. I am your English teacher of Class 5 from Islamia Youth Services Schools. Before starting our class, first I will give you some instructions, so kindly follow it. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Don't raise hands during teaching. Ask questions at the end of the teaching. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Okay. Take care of time for attending the class. Okay, class. Today's our objectives are students should be able to learn how to read our text. Okay, class. Today's objectives are students should be able to learn how to read a text, should be able to know the correct pronunciation of different words, should be able to know the meaning of difficult words, the new vocabulary related to the content. Okay, okay, class. Before starting our lecture, before starting to read the text, first I will ask some question from you, and you have to answer me. Okay, how often do you go shopping for food? Okay, class. How often do you go shopping for food? If you want to give answer, please raise your hands and, and unmute yourself. Okay, class, I will speak loudly. Now you can hear me. How often do you go for shopping for food? Okay, Sufyan Salim, unmute yourself and give the answer. Sufyan Salim, unmute yourself. Okay, student, if you know the answer, if you want to give the answer, please unmute yourself. Raise your hand and I will unmute you so you can answer me. Okay, Mohammed Sadiq Paloj, unmute yourself and answer me. How often do you go for shopping for food? Weekly? Monthly? Adnan, okay, unmute yourself and answer me. Okay, class, can you hear me? Okay, class, can you hear me? If you know the answer, if you want to give the answer, please unmute yourself. Raise your hand and please unmute and Hasnaat and give the answer. How often do you go for shopping for food? Hasnaat, can you hear me? Hasnaat, unmute yourself. Shayan Jamshed, unmute yourself. Okay, Shayan Jamshed, unmute yourself and give the answer. How often do you go for shopping for food? Weekly or monthly? Okay, class. Okay, class. We go for shopping either monthly or either for weekly. Okay. Okay, next question is, from where does your family get food supplies every week? From where does your family get food supplies every week? Hello, hello. Class, can you hear me? Okay, class. From where does your family get food supplies every week? from mart, from shopping mall, from grocery shop. From where did you get did your family get food supply for every week? Okay, do you think it will be the same if you live in the wild? Okay, class, do you think it will be the same if you live in the wild? No, it will not be same if we live in the wild. There is no facilities, there is no any other facilities. Okay, it will be very difficult to live in the wild. There is no shelter to live, there is no food to eat. Okay, okay, class. The next question is, how do you think you will be able to get food in the wild? Okay, student, if you know the answer, if you want to give the answer, please raise your hand and unmute yourself to give me answer. Class, if you want to give the answer, please unmute yourself. Can you hear me? How do you think you will be able to get food in the wild? Okay, move to next slide. Okay, class, today's our topic. Today we are going to learn to teach our second unit on the quest for food. Okay, on the quest for food. Okay, let's read. Okay. Robinson Crusoe was shipwrecked on a deserted island. Okay, Robinson Crusoe was shipwrecked on a deserted island. Okay, class, now you can hear me. To survive on this dangerous island, he learned to hunt and build shelter. To survive on this dangerous island, he learned to hunt and build a shelter. The need for meat kept me going. The need for meat kept me going. I tried to keep a dog, but he was no good. He was afraid of goats and kept running back to me. The goats of my island were very hard to kill. I finally caught a little one, and as the time went by, I got a mate for my goat. It wasn't 2 or 3 years before I had many, but at last I had enough to get goat's milk to drink, and I could kill one for meat whenever I need to do so. Okay, okay, class. Now the question is rise. Why did Chris want goats? Okay. Next, I will ask you this question. First, read that chapter. Okay. Take out your books and open page number. Open unit number 2 and read with me. What I needed most was something to replace the bread and flour. What I needed most was something to replace the bread and flour. My reserves on the ship were fast depleting, and I needed cereal to sustain myself. I made a big, dry cave my home on the island. It was very dark and dingy. It was very dark and dingy, and the fact that I had no candles did not help either. I used the fat from the goats I used the fat from the goats and dipped whatever cloth I could find in it, setting this fat soaked cloth afire. Setting this fat soaked cloth afire served the purpose of candle. Okay, okay, Kainat, can you hear me? As I hunted for a piece of cloth, I came upon a bag in which we had kept grain on board ship. Okay. was just the kind I needed. It was just the kind I needed. I took it out. I took it out. Okay. It was just the kind I needed. It took it out and dusted it outside the door of my cave. I thought no more about it until one day I saw some little plants growing beside the entrance of my cave. A close look and realized that there were realized that they were corn plant. There were some barley and rice as well. A few seeds must have been left at the bottom of that bag and fallen in just the right place to grow. I had to look after these plants, saving every bit of grain from the birds. It took me 4 years before I had grown enough grain to eat. I had first landed near a small stream. As I walked up the stream, I found lush green field of grass and sugar cane. Further up, I found some melon on the ground and grapevines growing on trees. They were heavily laden with bunches of grapes. Okay, I recall that grapes could be dried and preserved as resins. With this thought in mind, I picked the biggest bunches of I could find and tied them to the outside branches of the tree and tied them to the outside branches of the trees to be sun dried. I dried more than 200 big bunches this way. Each each night each night when I went back to the cave, I could carry many limes in bags made of sailcloth. It was a very, it was a long, dreary walk. It was a long, dreary walk with the weight of the limes pulling me down. But survival was the only thing on my mind. One day I found that One day I found that my grapes were well dried. I carried them home to my cave. It was a good decision, for the next day a big storm came up. The winds blew very hard and my raisins and efforts would have would have all been lost. I kept the raisin lime and meat I kept the raisin limes and meat at the back of the cave. This was the coolest area and the best place to store supplies. I sat at my table and read my Bible by the light I had made. Okay, class. Now I have some questions for you. Okay, first you have to answer me. Why did crows want goats? Why did crows want goats? If you want to give answer, please raise your hand and, and unmute yourself. Shayan Jamshed, unmute yourself. Shayan Jamshed, unmute yourself. Hasnat, unmute yourself and answer me. Shayan, why did crows want
He
goats?
he needs
Why
he
did
needs Goat for milk
Got for milk, very good.
and meat.
And thank you. And meat. Okay, thank you. Yes, not. Okay. The next question is, how did the plants begin to grow near Curious Cave? How did the plants begin to grow near Curious Cave? If you want to give the answer, please unmute yourself. Raise your hand and unmute yourself. Okay, Shayan Jamshed, please unmute yourself and answer this question. How did the plants begin to grow near Curious Cave? Okay. Okay, now I will give you some explanation about this unit. Please listen carefully, and if you want to ask some difficult words meanings and difficult words to, so please raise your hand and answer, and I will give you answer. Okay, class. Robinson Crusoe was shipwrecked on the deserted island. Okay, Robinson Crusoe was shipwrecked on a desert island to survive this on this dangerous island. He has to survive on this deserted, dangerous island. Okay, he learned to hunt and build a shelter. He want to learn how to live this dangerous island, and he want to give some food to live, and he also want to build a shelter to live. Shelter means to home, to safe place to live. Okay. Okay. The goats of my island were very sorry. The need for meat kept me going. I tried to keep a dog. Okay, okay. The Vincent Cross want to get some meat to eat. Okay, he wants some meat to eat. That's why he that's why he was going to to get some goats and to kill the goats and get meat from it. I tried to keep a dog, but he was no good. He kept the dog with him, but he was no good. He was afraid of goats and kept running back to me. And it's not use that dog is very useless. He was afraid of goats and kept running back to me. And okay, the of my island were very hard to kill. The goats of my island were very hard to kill. Okay, they were very sharp and they run very fast. That's why it's very hard to kill that goats. I finally caught a little one, and as time went by, I got a mate for my goat. Finally, he caught a little one goat, and after that, he got a mate for this goat. Okay, it wasn't 2 or 3 years before I had many, and before 2 to 3 years before it, he had many goats. Okay, but at last I had enough to get goats, and after some times, after some days, he get enough goats, and after, even he get milks from that goats and to drink, and he also could kill one for meat. Okay, he also get meat from that goats, and I could kill one for meat whenever I needed to do so. Okay, now what I needed most was something to replace the bread and flour. What I needed most was something to replace the bread and flour. My reserves on the ship was were were fast depleting, and I needed cereal to sustain myself. Okay, now he needs some bread and flour. Okay, and the reserves on the ship were fast depleting, fast to end, and the reserves on the ship to eat was fasting ending. Okay, and I needed cereal to sustain myself, and he needs some cereals to sustain, to live. Okay, I made a big dry cave, my home on the island. Okay, and after that he made a cave to live in the island, and he made a very big and dry cave. Okay, to live on the island. It was very dark and dingy. It was very dark. Okay, it was very dark and dull and dirty. Okay, this cave was dark, dull, and dirty. Dingy means dirty and dull. And the fact that I had no candles, and he has no candle, and he has no candle to light. There is there is always darkness. Okay, candles did not help either. I used the I used the fat from the goats and dipped whatever cloth I could find in it. Okay, after that he made a candle. Which type candle he made? He get the fat from the goats. Okay, he get the fats. He get some fats from the goats and dipped whatever cloth and dipped some clothes in it. Okay, whatever he could find. Yes. And setting this fat soaked cloth afire and setting this cloth afire serve the purpose of candles, and this makes this types of a candle, and he makes this types of candles. Okay, and lighten the cave. As I hunted for a piece of cloth, I came upon a bag. As I hunted for a piece of cloth, I came upon a bag in which we, we had kept grain on board the ship. Okay, and after that, he gets some bag. He gets some bag. He get a bag in which he kept grains. Okay, and set this bag outside the cave. It was just the kind I needed. I took it out and dusted it outside the door of my cave, and he dusted this bag outside the cave. Okay, now he thought no more about it until one day I saw some little plants growing beside the entrance of my cave. After 1 to 3 days, he found some growing plants outside the cave entrance of the cave. Okay, a close look and I realized that they were corn plants. He took very close look and he took very closely and he realized that they were corn plants. Do you know what is corn? Okay, there were some barley and rice as well, and he also found some barley and rice plants also. Okay, a few seeds must have been left at the bottom of that bag. How these plants will grow there? How these plants grown up grown up that place? A few seeds must have been left. Okay, a few seeds in the bottom of the bag must have been left and fallen in just the right place to grow, and they get the right place and they get the right environment to grow. That's why these plants had grown. I had to look after these plants. He take some close look after the plant. Okay, I had to look after these plants, saving every bit of grain from the birds. Okay, he is starting to looking after these plants and saving these plants from the birds. That because these plants are the food for him. Okay, it took me 4 years before I had grown enough grain to eat. It took me Okay, it took me 4 years before I had grown enough grain to eat. And after 4 years, he get able he can able to get the food from these grains. He can able to eat these grains. Okay, to eat this grain, he can able to grow enough grain to eat. Okay, I had first landed near a small stream. I had first landed near a small stream. As I walked up the stream, I found a green field of grass and sugar cane. As I walked up the stream, I found lush green field of grass and sugar cane. After that, and found he walked up the stream and found some lush green fields of grass and sugar cane. Okay, he gets some sugar cane from this field. Further up, I found some melons on the ground and grapevines growing on trees. Some melons on the ground and grapevines growing on trees. After that, he found some melons on that field and grapevines growing on the trees. They were heavily laden with bunches of grapes. Okay, they were heavily laden with bunches of grapes. These grapes were heavily loaded with the juice, heavily loaded with the juice of the grapes, with the bunches of the grapes. Okay, Why did Cruise want to preserve the grapes? Now the question is rise. Why did Cruise want to preserve these grapes? Okay, I recall that grapes could be dried and preserved as resin. Okay, after the explanation, I will answer these questions. Okay, that I recall that the grapes could be dried and preserved as resin. With this thought in mind, I picked the biggest bunches I could find and tied them to the outside bunches of the trees to be sun dried. Okay, after that, he he get some grapes to dry it out for for the purpose of eat, for the purpose of food. That's why he want to dry the grapes. Okay, with this thought in mind, I picked up the biggest bunches. Okay, for this purpose, he get some biggest bunches. He picked the biggest bunches and tied the branches of the tree to be dried. Okay, I dried more than 200 big bunches this way, and he dried more than 200 big bunches in this way. Okay, he dried each night. When I went back to the cave, I could carry I could carry many limes. Okay, after each night, he went outside the cave and find out something to eat, find out some more things, and he carried some lamps in bag made of sailcloth, and he carry some lamps in the bag. A bag is made up of sailcloths. Okay, sailcloth means plastic clothes, just like. Okay, it was a long dreary walk. It was a long dreary walk. Okay, but this walk is very boring, long, and tiring because he have to carry some very heavy bag. Okay, right, with the weight of the lines pulling me down. The way. But survival was the only thing on my mind. But he had to survive on this island, on this desert, on this dangerous island. That's why he have to he have to carry this heavy bag, and he have to dry these fruits to eat. Okay, my grapes were when he found that my grapes were well dried. Okay, after that, he dried out all the grapes and carried them home to my home. And he carried all the dried grapes, into the cave. It was good decision for the next day. Next day, a big storm came, and it was a good decision for him because after the next day, the big storm came up. Okay, the winds blew very hard, and my reason and efforts would have been all been lost. And it was a very good decision for him because after the one day, the big storm came up and blew very fast, and blew the winds very fast, and my reason and effort and his efforts and raisins would be lost. Okay, I kept the resin, lime, and meat at the back of the cave. I kept the resins, lime, and meat at the back of the cave, and he kept all the resins and limes and meat at the back side of the cave. Why he kept all these things at the back side of the cave? This was the coolest area because this was the coolest area. That's why he kept all the resin, limes, and meat at the back side of the cave to store, to preserve these all things. That's why he kept all this area, all these things in the back side of the area. Okay. Now, and the best place to store supplies, I sat at my table and read my Bible by the light I had made. And after that, he sat at the table and read the Bible. Bible is the holy book of the Christian. And by the light I had made, by the light he made with the help of God, got fat and clothes. Okay, now the chapter is ending, and the question is, how would you get food and water if you were stuck on a deserted island? Can you give me some answers? Can you give me this answer? How would you get food and water if you were stuck on a deserted island like the Robinson Cruise? What would you do on that island? The student, if you want to give answer, please raise your hand. Hello, okay, class. If you want to give answer, please raise your hand and answer me. Okay, move to next slide. Now, the question is, what kind of food did Robinson Crusoe have on the island? Write your answer in the correct part of the food pyramid. Okay, protein and dairy food. Which food that have protein he got that island? Students, if you want to give answer, if you know the answer, please raise your hand and unmute yourself. Rana Muhammad Aryan, please unmute yourself and answer me. Hello, Rana Muhammad Aryan, please unmute yourself and answer me. Kaf, Shan Kareem,
टीचर
yes, Kaf,
शुगर टीचर इसमें हमें शुगर केन्स चाहिए होगा
okay. No, beta,
प्रोटीन से
meat and milk food he got from that island. Okay,
अच्छा टीचर उसने उस आइलैंड से मीट लिया था मिल्क लिया था ब्रेड
yes.
और
Okay, student. Now move to next question. Fruit and vegetable. Which fruit and vegetable he got from that island? Okay, which fruit and vegetable?
मिस ग्रेप्स
Okay, very good. Grapes and any other fruit? And any other fruit? Shan Kareem?
नो मिस
No? Okay.
नो
He got lime, melon, sugarcane, and grapes. Okay. He got lime, melon, and sugarcane. Okay. Or which grain he get from that island? Corn, barley, and rice. Okay. Okay, our next is circle the best answer for each statement. Robinson Crusoe kept a dog, but it was afraid of goats and kept running back to him. It shows that a dog was healthy and energetic. No, the goat were fierce and could run faster than dog. Yes. And Robinson Crusoe was useless. No. The correct answer is the goat were fierce and could run faster than the dog. Okay, next is finally Robinson Crusoe got a little goat. Later, he got a mate for the goat. He wanted to. The answer is take revenge on the goats? No. Let his goat have a companion? No. Produce his own goats for the stable supply of food? Yes, the correct answer is produce his own goats for the stable supply of food. Please open your book and tick with me these answers. Okay, tick the answers with me. Okay, yes, you have to solve this exercise on your book. Vincent Cross chose a big dry cave as his home because he could keep him safe and warm in the storm. Yes, the correct answer is he could keep him safe and warm in the storm. Okay, next he took Vincent Cross 4 years of looking after the plants before he grew enough grains to eat. Boring watching the plants grow? No. Boring difficult to keep away the birds snatching and crop? Yes, the correct answer is it was very difficult. It was very difficult to keep away the birds snatching the crops, torturing the grow crops he did not like to eat. No. Okay, move to next slide. There are some words meaning that you have to solve that you have to do on your fair copy English. Okay, the first one is shipwreck. Okay, class. Shipwreck means suffer the sinking of a ship at sea in or after a storm. Okay, deserted, having no people. Survive, continue to live. Survive, continue to live. Shelter, a safe place to live. Okay, shelter means a safe place to live. Kept me going, made me continue to do something although it was very difficult. Okay, kept me going means made continue to do something although it was very difficult. Okay, replace, take a place of. Replace means take a place of. Dinky means dull and dirty. A fire on fire. Okay, came upon, found something by chance. Preserve means prevent it from rotting. Lime is a round fruit similar to lemon but smaller and greener. Sailcloth means a thick material used to make sail. Please correct this word. This is a thick material, not think. Okay, dreary, dull, boring, and tiring. Depleting means consume, and sustain means remain same. Okay, class, these are the words meaning that you have to write in your copy. And move to next slide. There are some question answer about related this unit. The first question is, how did Robinson Crusoe end up on the island? How did Robinson Crusoe end up on the island? He ended up on the island because he was shipwrecked on the island. Okay. Robinson Crusoe was shipwrecked on the island. The next question is, why did Robinson Crusoe keep going goats? Okay, why did Robinson Crusoe keep goats? Because he needs some meat and milk on the island for survival. Okay, Robinson Crusoe kept the goats because he needed meat and milk on the island for survival. Okay, next question is, how did he get light? He used the fats from the gourds and dipped whatever cloth he could find in it. Okay, how did he get light? He made a candle. He made a candle like he used with the use of fats from the gourds and dipped whatever cloth he could found in it. Then he set this fat soaked cloth on fire. That in this way he made a candle and he get light. Okay, please take a screenshot from this light, and that's why so you can do your work on your copy. Okay, please take screenshot. Okay, move to next slide. Where did Robinson Crusoe get water to drink? He got water from a small stream. Okay, he got water. Robinson Crusoe got water from a small stream. The next question is, which words tell you that Robinson Crusoe did not enjoy carry the heavy bags of lime? Dreary walks. The word dreary walks words tell us that Robinson Crusoe did not enjoy carrying the heavy loads of limes back. Okay, these are some these okay. These are the question answer that you have to do on your copy. Please take screenshots. Okay, class. Your home task is do all the given words meaning and question answer in your English pair copy and learn all the word. Okay, I will. I'm repeating the slides again. Please take screenshots. Please take the screenshot of the slides of the words meanings. Okay, I hope you have taken the screenshots. Please take the screenshot of the question answers so you can do your work and your copy. Okay, class. There are some more question answers, question number 4 and 5. Please take the screenshots of the slides so you can do your work on your copy. In your copy. Okay, class. I hope you have taken the screenshots. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you, children. Stay safe. See you again. Thank you.